Okay, the game's just photobombs. Okay, that's nice. I'm playing a Gario.
I'm on mobile.
She's on mobile. She wants to get on the computer. Her brother's been on for apparently 2 hours. That's a lot.
Yeah.
I've already done my workout in those 2 hours.
Crazy. Can't believe a kid would work out.
I'm pretty sure most kids do.
Well, look at me, I know.
Well, then how you so skinny? You're like freaking.
Hey, I eat most of the time, so that's still good, right?
Good to not starve, but
Yeah,
how you still skinny though?
Hey, I ran across the block. My block. That's shaped like a horseshoe.
Your
search it up on the map.
block is shaped like a horseshoe.
Yeah.
You mean a circle or a suburb or something?
No, I live by the school, like next to the school.
Yeah. Okay. Oh shoot, homies, I'm getting eaten so much. This doesn't usually happen.
I'm sorry. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh shoot, Trollface just missed me. Bailey's recording what?
A skit with me in it.
On what? Animal Jams?
Yes, sir.
I swear, if James Bond splits after me, that's gonna be useless. Oh wait, I forgot to turn something on.
Banana.
Show mask play. Okay.
Because I'm about to
Do not split Marianella.
I wonder how I got bigger than this banana.
No. What? Okay, what? My mouse just shuts off. And then I have to wiggle it back on, and I'm like, wait, I just got eaten.
Sure. Wow.
I don't believe this. No. If I swear.
No, don't eat me. Don't eat me. Oh, that's a cool skin.
No, sir, don't eat me, sir. I swear, sir, if you eat me, okay. You're good. You're
Can we
good.
do hashtag pray for Paris to get bigger?
Do what?
Hashtag pray for Paris.
You don't get fed that way.
Yeah, I know.
You get fed by naming yourself Pro Team or faking being inside of a clan.
Actually, no, I'm in second place already.
Well, that's mobile, Gario. It's easy.
No, it's actually pretty hard. Should people were feeding me.
Nah!
Oh, thank you. I'm in first.
Dude, that's probably the easiest achievement you've got.
And I'm on level 5.
1, 2, 3. Simple as 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E. Nope.
I made it on mobile.
How do you make a mobile screen recorded videos?
I don't know, I just made a slideshow. That's it. I took some screenshots on.
What? This guy just ruined his whole life just to get me? What?
Oh no, son, you better get back.
Yeah, Gario takes up a lot of time. You don't you don't even realize
Yeah,
it.
fun, I guess. Oh, hey, someone just moved out of the
I play Animal Jam. It's just I'm starting to lose what the point is again.
It's a learning game, learning about animals. Oh, the Arctic Fox is out.
Yeah, I know.
I don't have enough diamonds. I'm so sad.
I'm only at 4 diamonds. Sucks, but
I'm
you
not
get
sure.
used to it. Easy, 1, 2, 3, A, B,
Oh, hey, it's Alia. Aaliyah, I meant.
Alea.
Don't eat me!
The heck? What was that? Please don't eat me! You constipated. Oh shoot, Isaac. Oh shoot. Amigos equipo. See. 8 ball. Oh, this person's rich.
Okay,
Their name is 6, but still, they got the best skin. They must be so good at this game. They're level 50. System 32 arrow, you mother. I swear, if you split, don't you don't stop. Give up. Give up, system. You'll never eat me. I am Snake. I will teach you how to not eat people. I will be Ty! Hello, I've eaten you. I usually get to like 200 and then people start going after me like really harshly and then I start to die and stuff. Which honestly sucks so much and then I have to get away from System 32 error before I die. Oh my god, 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 I was just saying a bunch of gobbles. Because he's about to gobble me up. Oh! Get wrecked, bitch.
Did you say a bad word? Because it sounded like you did.
Bish? That's no bad word.
A what?
Bish. Ever heard? It's called bish. Bish. Oh!
Game or die.
See, I get to like 372. You know what?
Lasso.
I'm done. My recorders know what I'm doing. My fans know what I'm doing. You know what I'm doing.
I know what you're doing, but I can't see you.
Highest mass. That's my lifespan. 372.
Earlier I was playing football outside. And I was
Let me
playing
just change this number to 88990. Bam! I've gotten the highest ever recorded mass. Look at that.
Whoa, Jack. Whoa, Jack.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, that doesn't look.
You get this? You're a Julier.
Nope.
Julier.
1 second. I'm gonna change it a little more because my leaderboard time. I'm just gonna make that a long time.
Oh, I'm in 34th place.
Where's that leaderboard time at? 1, 2, 3, ABC, come out with me. 202 foodie. I'm just gonna make that like 900,000 trillion. No glitch. This is not no glitch.
Or the thing that you did, never mind. There's a hacker on Android that's back from 2011.
F-Man?
Nope. Well, kind of, but it's a different one. If you remember 2011 in Animal Jam, you should remember 2011 hack.
I was part of that hack, okay?
I was too, yeah. Not.
Yeah, see, this is totally believable stats.
All crops are ready to be harvested. Yeah, I know, 8A. Clash of Clans. Your clan has been raided by XOXO.
I'm going to spend like all of my time recording right now, just like simply changing my stuff. I'm just gonna pause. Hey guys, I just got back from like the most epic game. I am level 73. I've stayed alive for only 2 minutes, but my highest mass is 88,000. So let's see if you can beat that. Top position, obviously first. Leaderboard time, 28 minutes and 43. Oh wait, that does not look believable. Hey guys, look at this. See this? I'm actually level 73. I have the spy skin. Yeah, boy. I'm gonna go into here. Own skins. I'm just gonna 1 second.
Okay, I'm trading this person a necklace for. He gave me an elephant chair for a necklace. You just got scared. He got scared.
Why'd your voice just get so high pitched?
I don't know, because I make it high pitch.
Aha, I lied to all of you. I'm not level 73, I'm only level 10.
I got 10 bow and arrows now.
Can I have like 4?
Well, I'm saving them up for like a sniper's man.
Can I just have some bows? I just want some bows, man. I just want some bows.
Get on the Animal Jam and we'll get the bows together.
1 second, I gotta finish my Grail match and then I'll get on Animal Jam after this.
Okay, we're gonna record it after this.
But then wouldn't I need to change my Animal Jam to syntax, AJ? Oh, screw that, I don't care. Oh, eat me. I said eat me, you dummy! Okay, they wouldn't eat me. I'm just gonna get on animaljam.com now. Okay. Okay, there we go. I'm on Animal Jam now. Woohoo!
Oh, you're done. Oh, did you realize I got an arc wolf?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I've seen that. Okay. Well, I don't see all your bowsies and Aries.
it's not my ult account.
Oh, get on Konica then.
It's banned. Oh, no, it's suspended. He's alive. I scammed.
How'd you scam?
I don't know, because someone traded me a bow for my snowman family, you know, the one that you have in your hand.
Oh, I got a bows and arrows. It's red, of course.
I accepted really fast.
Somebody sent me a red bows and arrows.
Does a longbow count?
Nope. Oh, I should do a mail time while I'm doing this.
Yeah, I'll send you some gifts.
I'm gonna pause until I get them because I'm running out of time. There we go. Okay. There's 14 now. No, there's 15 now. Time to open them all. They're all from one person. That's 16. Let's open this one. That's a hedge flower. Okay, that's nice. Click. It's a mustache. Mustachio. Pinocchio, a fry hat. Spooky eyes. Oh, I got something else. Rare Oh. I said oh for like the longest time possible. Woohoo! Accomplishment. Epic star hat. Don't know what those are. A bone tail that I could have bought, which I still have. Epic dragon wings that I already have.
Sorry.
Clover balloon. I don't know what those are worth or what they are. What are those beer barrels about? And we got a rose bush. We got elephant throne. No idea what those are. But they look ugly as crap. They seriously do. They look like really bad. Freedom hood with feather. I don't know what those are worth, but it's a very, very long name. Oh, those are actually worth something. They're pretty good. They're pretty good. Rare longbow. Now most of this stuff is just saying, oh. The last one was just from myself. And it had nothing in it. It's just Animal Jam rocks. Oh yeah, I forgot to delete it. I sent myself a bow. Yeah.
Because I can do a slideshow video that time.
How do you do that?
I record, I take screenshots with my iPad, and I, do, Eagle and,
Ah. Well, I'm gonna have to go. It's at 14 minutes, so I'm just gonna say bye to you, jammers. Everyone say bye. And,
We'll see you
this
in
is
the
the
next
end of the video.